on. Hello, my llama children. Today I am playing Find the Button with my brother.
Hi.
And my little brother. And this is Baldi's Basics Find the Button. It's also, this is the creator. Look at them, look at them, look at them.
We are gonna start
Beautiful,
soon.
beautiful, beautiful.
We will start soon.
I am back, and this is the map, and we're gonna begin.
Yay! Hi, Baldi. Press the button. Ooh.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh shoot.
Thomas, you started Baldi already.
Hey, okay, separate. Guys, it comes for one of us.
I know.
Oh wait, let me turn down my volume so then we don't get copyrighted.
That's what I'm doing. I always go
but
towards.
if you do that, then you don't hear Baldi slaps.
Yeah, but it's fine. I'm used to
Okay,
it.
I'm just gonna turn off the...
Grab the scissors. Right now, Baldi's going after me, so I'm being a good sister. Okay. Okay.
Wait, did you click the button that was in this room?
Which one?
Guys, we're almost halfway done.
I know, because I know where all the books are, because I did this
yeah,
already.
Yeah.
I finished the whole game already.
Whatever,
And I know every single exit is.
I am pulling scissors.
Same.
I
So
saw
if I went
playtime.
on to playtime.
I saw playtime.
Be careful then, Luki. Be careful
Also,
then.
one cool thing is that you can see people from across the map.
Yeah. Baldi's currently chasing one of y'all.
Guys, we're going.
Well, it's not me because.
Darn it!
It was me. He
Okay.
got you
Okay,
fast.
Okay, we're good.
Let's restart.
He got you
Start
fast.
again.
3, 2, 1, go.
He got
Okay.
you fast. If you get
We got this, guys.
If
Find
you
the
get one
I
more
know.
person gets too fast.
Okay, wait, but
doing,
I
bro?
wanna follow Cody or whatever your username is on.
Cody the Witch.
I wanna follow you guys.
Okay, so the
Baldi
next
started-
room.
So Volley goes that way.
I know, but it's faster when you go this way. Because 2 of the books are down here.
Oh, I just realized that you can get cookies.
Yeah, you can get cookies. Who jumped? No one
Oh, sorry.
jumped.
Sorry, that was me. Is Baldi
Luke,
here?
Luke.
Guys, just stop
Luki Gamer,
damaging
stop
us.
jumping.
Stop damaging us.
Still,
Oh, yeah,
it's
I
slowing me
I
down.
forgot if you have
Run,
multiple
run, run,
people,
run,
it
run.
doesn't work. No, wait, what the heck? I couldn't be.
No, you got us in detention.
Guys, the only reason why we're jumping up and down is because Playtime got me.
I know.
Dang, wait, who got the principal key?
It wasn't me. No one got the
Okay, I know where
principal
the
key.
principal key is, though.
I do too. I just didn't grab it on it.
No, it's right there.
It's not catch us. Kill me, Baldi.
Aww.
Okay, restart. Go,
It's gonna catch us anyway.
Okay, guys, we got this. We got this. We got
We're
this.
gonna win.
Thank you to all the
I
people that made this.
I will get the principal key. Lucas, you can get the scissors. You can get the scissors.
Wow, you exist. Oh my
I
god.
know. Wow. I exist.
Yay, I exist.
Okay, I got the principal key.
I hear every door you open. Oh yeah, and also thanks to people to
Oh my god.
random
Cody,
encounters.
Cody, wait up.
I'm faster than everyone here because I know what every single book is. Good job, little bro.
Oh my god.
Hey, little playtime, I got some scissors, so get your butt here.
Aston, that takes my scissors.
I know, but it's fine.
Guys,
There's more.
Guys, who's Baldi chasing?
You only think. He's not by me.
Button.
Or by me?
One more, guys. Baldi's too fast.
Yeah, but then we have to get the exits, remember? Lukey, go find the exit so when me and Thomas find the
guys,
book.
Baldi's in the lunchroom.
Okay, Lukey, go find an exit.
Guys, I only went in there when I was a button.
Okay, good. That means you got
That
it. Okay.
is gone.
Thomas, Lukey, go find an exit. Oh, wow. There's an exit already
Guys,
gone.
Baldi's getting really fast now.
I know. He's getting angrier.
We got that.
No!
Lucas, stop.
Stop it! Just a dumb
Scaring
boy.
me.
Addie, where's the last notebook?
I don't remember.
That was yesterday.
Wait, it's on the other side of school. No. Playtime, no. No. Playtime. No. I'm sorry.
Guys, I swear to God, I saw the notebook.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my God.
Dang it, me. I didn't have scissors. I used someone.
Yeah, Lucas got the scissors.
Then Aston cut the...
Playtime's rope.
Playtime, no,
scissors.
please, Playtime, no.
No!
Right there.
Restart.
Sorry for screaming. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I don't. Let me check my recordings in case. Yeah, we're good.
We have 4 minutes in.
I'm I'm just gonna run.
Okay,
I'm gonna
Thomas,
get-
you go get that one. I'm gonna get these scissors. I'm gonna press the button. Go press.
Okay, I'll go this way.
Just press this one. I
Just
told you to
press
go and press
hurry.
this one.
You do it.
I did it. It's fine. Baldy has now started. I'm gonna go see how he comes in.
Oh, I
it's
forgot one of
just-
the notebooks somewhere. Okay, I was gonna go get that one, but okay.
I shot it.
Come get these scissors. Oh wait, no, leave those scissors so we can have them for later. Avoid playtime. I have
Okay,
scissors.
No.
Baldy's coming. Go, 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 go.
We're going. Lucas, did you get that one yet?
Baldy's right now going
Yeah,
after me,
guys.
guys, so keep on going.
Oh,
If
shit.
you have it six.
Don't come over here. Don't come over here.
Let's
Baldy's
go,
coming
let's
from
go,
here.
Hurry. Come on, Lucky.
I'm coming.
Lucky, you keep on going.
Octo, go find the last book. I'll find an exit so we can do this.
Me too.
Oh my god!
No!
It's just too hard.
No, I believe in us. Okay?
No, I'm not doing it.
I see, came out of nowhere.
Okay, I'll get the first book. Octo, you get the second book. Lukey Gamer, go find a different book. Different book.
Okay. I'll get this book that's up here already that you
Okay,
forget.
I got a different one too.
There's a chest place somewhere.
Good job,
Get it.
Lukey. I think that's
Ah, you
Lukey.
forgot to get the principal.
Oh yeah, I'll go grab that.
I already got it.
Okay. Good.
No,
Wait,
no,
who got that
I
book over there? Oh, that was you. I thought it was Lukey.
Oh my god, Mom, this.
Playtime, no. Playtime, please.
Oh,
I had to
I
use
think
dang
you got
scissors.
one.
No!
He was right there.
Guys, this is scary.
Oh my god, I can't believe I did
Guys,
that!
the title things don't come up for me anymore.
Oh
Hey
dang.
guys,
You're
I
lucky.
just wanted to do my aquarium.
No,
Okay.
no, we're good.
My aquarium. It's an aquarium, not the fish.
Okay, I'll get the principal.
Oh,
key.
excuse
You
me.
get the other book again? I'll get the. Okay, I guess.
Oh wait, you got it.
Lucy's getting the principal key. I'll get the book.
I'll distract. I'll distract Body. Hi, Body. Come here. Lukey, one.
I am running.
How do you use
Body.
the
No,
No,
guys, guys.
teleport me to you. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. We're good. We're good. Start running. Start running.
Go.
I swear to God, I used the scissors, guys. I don't know how to use them.
Just click her.
That's what I did. It didn't do anything.
Body isn't by me anymore.
She didn't even say anything. She's like, hey.
For some
let's
reason-
play.
Oh,
For
I
some
found it.
reason, it says the chest is open.
Same.
Okay, guys, we're about to get 4.
Hurry up! Don't come by the entrance, by the lunchroom. Body's right there with me.
I'm right behind
You
you.
distract Baldy.
I'm right behind you.
Body,
Okay.
Body. You're so bald.
I love your baldy hair. Guys, come on, 2 more.
Principal.
Don't get too close, guys.
Okay, wait. I don't know where the heck I am.
No.
I hear baldy.
No! It wasn't me, it was Luki.
You just like.
Okay, you need to.
He
I
just
told
popped
you.
out of
Tony,
nowhere.
you need to follow Baldy everywhere. Okay.
Okay, so you guys get the books. Promise me you guys get the books. Hi, Baldy, yeah.
Oh my God, look at it. It's a book.
I'm scared. I don't want to be.
Yay, you
I'm gonna
exist.
get the
You go to Baldy.
Body!
I'll read that one book.
Body!
He most likely chases after the person that gets the book, though.
Run! Body!
What? I just found one. Jeez, I didn't know.
Run! Go! Thomas, go!
What do you think I'm doing? I got stuck.
Body!
No, Lucas.
Guys, yeah, get out of the lunchroom. I have to bring him in
I
here.
gotta be soda.
Throw it at him.
Wait, it just worked. Oh, okay. I thought I freaking blasted him towards me. It's okay. It pushed him like really far back.
Go!
What do you think I'm doing?
I have to get a book.
I'll get this book.
I got hurt. Oh,
Time to
play
jump. No!
Looky!
Body's not biased then, because we TP'd Lukey. We're fine. Body stopped chasing
I have a
us.
quarter.
I'll find Body and make him follow me.
Guys, I'm so scared. I don't know where Baldy is.
Body! Hello? Be careful, guys. If it gets louder, Octo, tell me.
Playtime's coming after me.
1.
I can't.
I
I'm
think
at
it's in
the
the kitchen.
principal's.
Hi. Oh, I didn't get to get this one over here.
Baldy!
Sometimes the
Hi,
pictures
Baldy!
scare me.
Hi, hello,
Sometimes
dear.
the pictures scare me because I feel like it's Baldi.
Hello?
Okay, we're about to get
Child, come here.
Come on.
Again, and we have for every problem you get one.
Body gets faster.
Oh, I didn't even notice how much faster he got. He got in so much closer. Baldy, come here.
I mean, you can jump since this is a...
Yeah.
Wait, did we get this one? Lucas!
Don't come back me.
No.
Don't come back me.
Run! Run!
I am.
Run, run. Go, go, go.
We're not getting caught by playtime.
Playtime's right behind me. Oh my god. No, I don't have scissors.
Hey, just start jumping. You can jump.
Wait.
Just careful, Lucky. Baldi's on the move. Adi, oh my god.
She's not by me anymore, but playtime is though.
This is
Wait, I'm gonna get a B soda. No! Give me a B soda! Shoot, guys, it's not giving me a B soda. Wait, did we get this one?
No.
This is the last one!
Press it. 1. Guys, find an exit.
Find all the exit! There's one right here, I think.
It's gone.
Yes? No, Addie, we're supposed to click it still. Okay, we got that one. I'll reload the map later, just in case that was supposed to be there.
I got another one, I think.
Lucas, careful. Look around every single corner.
No playtime.
What? It was you.
It was in me.
No, because me and Luki
It was in me.
Body was behind us, Thomas.
Yeah.
Right there? Yeah. I see him. Jesus.
Guys, I just want to do my Chloe.
Guys, why didn't we restart the map?
I don't know.
Because all the noises in the back, oh wait, no, we're good. I was gonna say all the noises in the background.
Okay, guys, I'll distract
Hey,
Baldy.
okay, guys,
Remember
we know
that.
where all the buttons are now.
Toss body on the bed.
Lukey, okay, Lukey, you go start finding a notebook.
Go, go,
I'll
go.
get Baldy. Baldy, come
Yeah,
here.
I want to do my Chloe.
Come on, Baldy. Come on.
That one.
I got a notebook while Baldy's chasing me. He's really slow.
Like, the B soda things really won't work.
I know.
BS soda. I call them BS. Because it does say
Yeah, I
it.
think the exits are supposed to be here. It's just that the map is kind of broken right now.
Hey, Baldy, what are you doing? He's after one of
I
y'all.
see Thomas.
Well, it's not. He's not after me because I don't see him.
It's Lukey, watch out. He could be after you.
Look, he's right next to me.
Oh, then never mind.
Wait, we already have 6 notebooks?
Yeah, I got the other 2 from
Okay, guys, there's one more. And I feel like I know where it is.
Playtime.
But I need to know where you got the other one, so okay. Oh my god! Look, he's right behind you! Start running really fast.
Where are you? Where's Lucas? I need to get him.
Look at the map. He should be somewhere.
I can't. Where's his name tag?
Dang it,
He's
it's
too
not
far.
He's really far away. If you press E and then look like he's there, for some reason. Lucas, no.
Lukey, watch out.
Sorry, Luki.
Put the heads on me.
Baldy! Baldy!
Luki, it's his time. Go, go, go.
Baldy,
It's
come
his
here.
time.
Yeah, come here. Follow me. Yeah, come get this werewolf tail.
Okay, look,
Oh, I started slowing down. No.
One little second of slowing down and we can get caught.
Yeah.
I don't want to do this. Fine.
Then leave. We're gonna do this unless we win.
Yes. Okay.
I don't want to win. This is too hard. We need
Someone else has to
four
distract
people.
Baldy.
I'll strike Baldi.
Okay.
We like need 4 people.
Press that button and start going out there, Thomas.
Okay.
Hurry. Go, over there.
Baldi.
He's gonna be in the corner over
Baldi.
there.
Hi, Baldi. Yeah, come over here. No, Baldi, you come over to me. Yes, Baldi. Baldi, come on.
Just keep him in that area. Don't make him move.
Oh, Lucas, run! Oh my god!
Don't go in Thomas's area. Okay?
Playtime. Run.
Come on, Baldi.
I haven't got any scissors.
Right
I got
now,
scissors.
oh yeah. Wow. My recording system wants to stop soon. This is great. We've been here for 14
My
minutes
recording
and
never has to
52.
stop.
I know. But we've been here for longer than we are supposed to. Where are you, Octo?